What's up, guys? Crypto Trader Mitch here. Quick video for you on New Year's Eve. Happy New Year. I wanted to point out something I noticed, and that is Ethereum and Neo are two of the higher market coins that are really outperforming the other ones. Like the pullback we've seen in Bitcoin and Litecoin and even smaller ones like EOS, we really haven't seen in Ethereum or Neo. Heck, Neo just actually tested new highs, and Ethereum, you can see that on the chart here, never really legged down again. It got a first pullback, and then it's just been going sideways. It actually has held this first level of support. After we got that big move, there was the pullback. So that was kind of your next point of, price action where we could look for a possible support, and it actually has confirmed it. I mean, it spiked through a couple times, but it closed at it or above it and tested it again a few days ago and was still above it. The price action on Ethereum is crazy positive. And it's funny because I'm not the hugest fan of Ethereum. I still have some because I know better. I let the, price action dictate what I do. And I've held some for some time, but I'm keeping my eye on it, and when this market gets back in gear, Ethereum is one of the first I'm going to look at because basically, when most cryptos are going down, Ethereum is going sideways. That shows you strength. So same thing with Neo. Let me bring up Neo. Let's see if I got it. All right, so same thing, Neo. After it broke out of this big triangle pattern, made new highs, pulled all the way back and actually tested these levels to bounce off of it. But look, we actually spiked in intraday, tested the all-time high intraday, and now it's nearing up its all-time high in terms of a closing price. Which, think about it, right now, what are the coins that are doing that? I mean, there's a couple of smaller coins I know that are ripping, like Ripple had a move, and I know Vergecoin's bouncing again, and Z Classic based on the hard fork news, but most of those are news driven. There's no specific catalyst for Neo or Ethereum right now. They're just trading stronger than the other coins. So again, I'm keeping my eye on Neo. I actually had added a little bit on this pullback. I already had a core position down in here I'd mentioned before in prior videos, but on the big pullback, I added a little down in the mid 50s. Probably should have added more, but added that to my core position, and I'm riding it up. And curious to see what happens here over the next week. If it fails at these highs, or if it breaks out to new highs. I mean, we could always see even a small pullback before it legs up. But the key here is that both Neo and Ethereum are trading much more positive, much more stronger than the rest of the crypto market on a whole. So when we see a turn in the crypto market and prices start pushing higher on cryptos across the board, there's a good chance that Neo and Ethereum are going to advance strongly because the price action has been strong. So we'll see. I mean, doesn't guarantee that's what's going to happen, but I'd rather cater my dollars towards current cryptocurrencies that are acting strong during weakness as opposed to ones that were acting very weak during this pullback. So keeping my eye on those. You may want to take a look at them again. Make your own decisions. This is just what I'm looking at, and just wanted to point out that Neo and Ethereum have been acting stronger in terms of their price action than many other cryptocurrencies during this pullback over the last week or so. All right, so if you want to learn more about how I recognize price action strength and support and resistance levels, and really my entries, which are what I call bullish U-turns, generally on pullbacks. You can check out the little collection of videos I did. I'll drop a link in the show notes, and you can give it a look. All right, Happy New Year, and I'll try and have another video for you tomorrow.